Soon after Bill Chayak votes, Zion Roots. Don't know.
Rainbow covenant just seal, 7 colors holy sign, promised until end of time. Babylon crumble, wall follow, rainbow shine for all to know. Every tear Jah wipe away, rainbow bring the brighter day.
Pushing on me long brother. Na na na. Na 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 na. Kingston. Pushing on me long brother. Beat the drum, the heartbeat sound. Drums of Zion shake the ground. Every nation hear the call. Drums of Jah unite them all. Not in weapon, not in gun, but in drum the victory won. Every rhythm, every tone, drums connect the flesh and bone. Children gather, circle round. Drums of nations shake the town. Elder chant, young ones dance. Drums of Zion give a chance. No division, no more fight. Drums of Zion bring the light. From the east unto the west, drums proclaim the righteous best. Africa call, Jamaica sing. Drums of nations echoing. India, Asia, island shore. Drums of Zion evermore. Every people, every tribe. Drums of Zion keep alive. Not a border, not a wall. Drums of Zion break them all. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. No, 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 no. Oh, no. Nighttime fire, morning sun. Drums of nations beat as one. Every echo, every sound. Drums of Zion still resound. Babylon system can't withstand. Drums beat strong by Jah hand. Generation after time, drums still chant the sacred rhyme. Spirit lift, my soul arise. Drums of Zion fill the skies. Every step become a prayer. Drum remind your people care. From creation till today, drums of nations guide the way. Everlasting, pure and free. Drums of Zion unity. Beat, beat, drum of fire. Lift the people higher and higher. Drums of nations beat along. Carry Zion holy song. Drums of nations loud and strong. Unite the people all along. Every heartbeat, every tone. Drums of Zion call we home. Forever beating, true and free. Drums of Zion unity. Oh, no, 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 no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no. Oh, no.
Aye, aye, aye. Meditate with Zion. Reggae, yeah, man.
Deep blue water, endless tide. Ocean of Zion open wide. Every wave a sacred hymn. Flow from Jah and flow within. Babylon tried to build a dam, but ocean stronger than a man. Every drop a holy flame, ocean carry Jah name. Fisherman chant upon the sea, ocean of Zion set him free. Children swim and dolphins play, ocean guide the righteous way. Not of greed, not of war, ocean carry love ashore. Every tide a holy song, ocean flow forever long. And ships may fall, ocean still embrace us all. No iron chain can bind the wave, ocean strong, Jah people save. Rivers run from mountain high, ocean meet the open sky. Endless circle truth remain, ocean wash away the pain. Travel far from shore to shore, ocean show Jah evermore. Ancient mariner lift the hand, ocean guide him to the land. Babylon fleet may boast and roar, but ocean crush them to the floor. Jah creation pure and wide, ocean of Zion rising tide. Oh, of whales beneath the deep, ocean sing while people sleep. Every creature great and small, ocean cradle carry all. No beginning, no end to see, ocean chant eternity. Everlasting, never gone, ocean sing Jah holy song. Flow, flow mighty tide, carry people far and wide. Wash the sorrow, cleanse the land, ocean move by Jah hand. Ocean of Zion wide and strong, carry the people all along. From the river to the sea, ocean chant eternity, forever flowing, pure and free. Ocean guide humanity. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, ay, ay. Ay, ay, ay. Kaya smoke with Zion, Ragaya man. In the garden tall and wide, sacred tree of Zion high. Roots so deep in holy ground, branches spread for miles around. Every leaf a story tell, sacred tree remember well. Babylon fire can't consume, sacred tree forever bloom. Children play beneath the shade, sacred tree where peace is made. Elders sit and chant a song, sacred tree keep people strong. Not in palace, not in throne, sacred tree forever known. Every fruit a gift from Jah, sacred tree uphold the law. Birds a sing upon the limb, sacred tree a righteous hymn. River flow tree still grow and grow, never bending, never gone. Sacred tree keep carrying on. Storm may rage and axe may swing, still the tree of Zion cling. Not of timber, not of gold, sacred tree the prophet stole. Every shade a place of rest, sacred tree protect the blessed. Babylon plan can destroy, sacred tree bring joy. Children climb and mothers pray, sacred tree show righteous way. Fathers chant and nations bow, sacred tree forever now. From creation till today, sacred tree guide every way. Everlasting, strong and free, Zion root in sacred tree. Grow, grow, sacred root, bearing fruit of holy truth. Rise, rise, branches high, sacred tree reach the sky. Sacred tree of Zion land, planted by the holy hand. Fruit of life, shade of peace, sacred tree where war shall cease. Forever standing, strong and free, Zion root in sacred tree. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Na 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 ganja with Zion, yeah man. Upon me head a crown of fire. Zion give me soul desire. It shine eternal blaze so high. Zion crown like the sky. No man steal it, no man take. Zion crown, Jah alone make forever shining pure and true. Zion crown, I and you. Zion crown, blaze so bright, shine with love and holy light. Every blessing, every flame, Zion crown exalt your name. It guide the humble, lift the meek. Zion crown all people seek. Forever holy, never gone. Zion crown forever strong. It glow at dawn, it glow at night. Zion crown forever bright. Eternal shining, never fade. Zion crown, Jah alone made. Me see the elder wear
Give Rasta this record, yeah man. In a Zion grow the tree, roots of love eternally. It stretched to heaven, touch the sky. Zion tree will never die. Branches strong, branches wide. Zion tree forever guide. Eternal growing, pure and free. Zion tree protect me. Zion tree roots so deep, shed the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree brings sweet release. It bless the children, bless the meek. Zion tree all people seek. Forever holy, never fall. Zion tree for one and all. It stand through storm, it stand through flame. Zion tree exalt your name. Eternal branches, strong and tall. Zion tree, protect we all. Me sit beneath the holy shade. Zion tree, Jah hand has made. It give me comfort, give me rest. Zion tree, Jah truly blessed. Forever growing, never cease. Zion tree, bring Jah peace. From mountain high to valley low. Zion tree, forever grow. No Babylon can cut it down. Zion tree, wear holy crown. It grow eternal, never dry. Zion tree, reach to the sky. Forever fruitful, strong and free. Zion tree, eternity. Holy shelter, pure and true. Zion tree, for me and you. Trumpet sound again. Zion tree still remain. Forever standing, never gone. Zion tree forever strong. It called the nations, called them near. Zion tree forever here. Holy growing, pure and free. Zion tree, eternity. Grow strong, grow wide. Zion tree, forever guide. No chain, no axe can cut away. Zion tree, forever stay. Zion tree, roots so deep, shade the humble, shade the sheep. Fruit of love and fruit of peace. Zion tree, bring sweet release. From age to age, from day to night. Zion tree, forever light. Na 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 na, Zion reggae man. Morning rise on Zion hill. Light of Jah shining still. Bird them sing, the earth rejoice. Zion forever holy, never wrong. Zion morning chant a song. It bless the nation, bless the child. Zion morning, meek and mild, from east to west, from shore to shore. Zion morning, evermore. It rise eternal, rise so high. Zion morning, fill the sky, forever glowing, never dim. Zion morning, holy hymn. No Babylon can block the flame. Zion morning, call your name. Eternal shining, strong and wide. Zion morning, Jah provide. When the trumpet sound again, Zion morning still remain. It rise eternal, never gone. Zion morning forever strong, forever shining. Holy flame, Zion morning, praise your name. From dawn of time till endless day, Zion morning, light the way. Rise high, rise strong. Zion
of the ancients loud and clear. Call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide Jah wisdom It whisper in the wind at night. Tell the seeker walk in light. It speak through drum, it speak through fire. Lift the spirit, make it higher. From desert sand to ocean wide. Voice of Jah will always guide. No silence hold, no power chain. Ancient voice forever reign. It tell the youth respect the land. Hold the soil in righteous hand. It guide the elder to recall lessons given to us all. It teach the people unity. Live in love and harmony. No hatred stand, no greed survive. When ancient wisdom come alive. Me hear it call from forest green. In vision clear, in holy dream. It said, my child, stay strong and true. Jah eternal walk with you. It tell the tribe to rise and sing. Honor life in everything. Voice eternal never end. Guide forever, soul's true friend. When the morning sun arise, voice still echo through disguise. From generation down the line, ancient word remain divine. It never fade, it never bend. Voice of Jah will always send. From first chant to final breath. Ancient voice defeat all death. Speak loud, speak strong. Ancient voice live on so long. From root to crown, from sky to earth. Voice remind we of our word. Voice of the ancients loud and clear. Call the children far and near. Teach the way from time before. Open wide Jah wisdom door. From Zion root to Zion height. Voice of Jah will guide the
Aye, aye, aye.
Zion reggae, yeah man. At Zion's gate the righteous stand. Just stretch forth his holy hand. It open wide, it open true. Zion's gate for me and you. No Babylon can bar the way. Zion's gate forever stay. Eternal entrance, pure and strong. Zion's gate, a holy song. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. It welcome
is closed. It shine with gold, it shine with flame. Zion's gate, exalt your name. Eternal pathway, bright and free. Zion's gate, for you and me. Me walk the road, me hear the call. Zion's gate, for one and all. No man denied, no chain can bind. Zion's gate, for all mankind. Forever holy, never still. Zion's gate, Jah holy will. From mountain high to valley low. Zion's gate, the path we know. It guide the nations, guide the earth. Zion's gate of holy birth, forever shining, never dim. Zion's gate, eternal hymn. It welcome child, it welcome old. Zion's gate, more bright than gold. Eternal open, strong and tall. Zion's gate, for one and all. When the trumpet sound again, Zion's gate still remain. It open wide, it never cease. Zion's gate, eternal peace, forever shining, pure and true. Zion's gate, for me and you. Holy entrance, flame of light. Zion's gate, forever bright. Step in, step through. Zion's gate, forever new. No bar, no lock can stop the way. Zion's gate, forever stay. Zion's gate, open wide. Jah forever be me guide. Through the doorway, light shall flow. Zion's gate, we all shall go. From edge to edge, from night to day. Zion's gate, the righteous way.
can't settle down. Me need the hills, me need the breeze. Me soul want chant beneath the trees. Me nah follow no digital maze. Me follow sun, me follow praise. One draw, one breath, me mind feel free. Me spirit chant like a sacred tree. Pon the roots highway, me find me way. Smoke rise up and me trouble sway. Every mile a meditation. Me ride in a Jah vibration. Pon the roots highway, me hear Jah call. No city lights, just nature's hall. This are the road of revelation. Pure art, no imitation. Me stop at river, me wash me face. Cool water touch me soul with grace. Me see a elder chant by stone. Me join in, me never alone. He say youths live true and live clean. Babylon sweet but it rob your dream. Me say me done, me take me part. One rhythm drum, one sacred heart. The herb me light is blessed and wise. A key fi open eye and eyes. Me no hide it, me celebrate. With every puff, me elevate. Rasta no rush, Rasta flow. Like a stream, slow and low. This journey no need no map. Just ears for listen and time for nap. Me feel me heartbeat match the drum. Me know me reach where me belong. Roots highway, me temple true. Every tree a guide, every breeze a clue. On the roots highway, we chant and roll. Smoke lift the pain from body and soul. Every corner hold a sign of Rastafari's grand design. On the roots highway, life feel right. Under the stars and moonlight bright. We burn the stress, we burn the fear. Only love dwell upon this sphere. Me reach a village, the fire blaze. Drum and bass start set the pace. Children dance and elders smile. Me stay on the rhythm for a while. I tell pot bubble, scent so sweet. Me eat and give thanks for the treat. Me burn a spliff under sacred moon. Me spirit soar like reggae tune. Me no need mansion, no diamond ring. Me need a chant and bird them sing. Me rich with peace, me welter with time. Me live in rhythm, me move in rhyme. So if you're tired of the noise and lie, come find truth under Jah sky. Roll your herbs and ride away. Pon the roots highway, come what may.
Zion Reggae, yeah man.
Blowing free from mountain crest. Carry Jah word to east and west. Cool the brow, refresh the soul. Guide the weary to Jah goal. Every breeze a holy sign. Carry blessing pure divine. Wind of Zion never tire. Fan the flame of Rasta fire. Wind of Zion swift and strong. Carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven's door. Spread Jah love forevermore. It passed through street, it passed through field. tell the story that can't be sealed. It whisper hope to troubled heart, show the path where peace can start. It scatter seed in fertile ground, so life and joy will soon abound. Babylon wall can't block its way. Wind of Jah will always stay. It cool the fire in times of heat. It lift the tired, guide the feet. From morning light till evening rest, wind of Zion do Jah best. It call the youth to rise and sing about the joy Jah love will bring. Every gust a righteous call, blow away the pride and fall. Me hear it dance through forest green, me feel it sweep where peace unseen. It touch the river, stir the sea, tell the world we soon be free. It move the cloud, reveal the light, keep we walking in Jah sight. No man can chain, no man can bind. Wind of Zion, free mankind. When the night wind start to hum, it tell me Zion soon will come. From far off hills to valley low, it carry truth the people know. And when the morning start to rise, wind a sing through bright blue skies. From first breath till the last, wind of Zion will hold fast. Blow high, blow far, carry the word of who we are. From root to leaf, from shore to plain, wind of Jah forever reign. No gate, no chain can hold it back. Wind of Zion, stay on track. Wind of Zion, swift and strong, carry the truth where it belong. Lift the prayer to heaven's door, spread Jah love forevermore. From dawn to dusk, from earth to sky, wind of Jah will never die.
Zion Reggae, yeah, man. Yeah. Heat come rolling from the hills, call the soul, it come the hills. Every striker proud to Jah, every rhythm break the bar. Drum of freedom, drum of peace, make the war and sorrow cease. Drum of Nyabinghi strong, guide the people all along. Drum of Nyabinghi pure and deep, wake the heart from Babylon sleep. Call the tribe to stand as one, beat until the work is done. It echo far through night and day, tell the children find Jah way. It shake the ground, it lift the soul, bring the spirit back to whole. From roots to crown, from shore to plain, drum of Zion break the chain. No ruler's law can hush the beat, Nyabinghi keep we feet. Yeah. Yeah. He joined the elder and the youth, make them march in Jah truth. He tell the world of ancient time, a holy mountain righteous climb. Every tap a sacred word, every roll a message heard. No lie can stand, no hate can stay, when Nyabinghi start to play. Jah will never die. It keep me step, it lead the way. Guide the children as them pray. From first sound till final breath, drum will chant through life and death. Keep high, beat low. Nyabinghi make the spirit grow. From coast to hill, from heart to hand, drum unite the whole Zion land. No wall, no chain can stop the song. Nyabinghi beat keeps strong. Smoking chalice in the jungle.
Yeah, man.
Barefoot me step on red earth clay. Me feel the pulse from an ancient day. Drum a beat like thunder roll. Echo deep down in a me soul. Me eye closed but me see clear. Spirit calling from far and near. Me nah need no plan, no map. Jah rhythm guide me step by step. Heartbeat inna the drum, me say. Calling all soul fi come, me say. Dancing round the sacred fire. Lift your spirit, take you higher. Boom, 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 it not lie. It a the truth we can't deny. From Zion plain to African coast, we chant for life, we chant for growth. Me see me sister spin with breeze. Her foot them talk like them at ease. Me brother chant them ancient word. No page, no book, just spirit heard. We now wear chain, we wear crown. Rasta robe in a rootsy gown. Me spirit rise like morning sun. When me feel the rhythm, me and it become one. Me say, who hear the drum? We hear the drum. Who ready fi dance? We ready fi dance. Who carry light? We carry light. Who walk with Jah? We walk with Jah. Hard teeth inna the drum. Me say, rhythm beat strong like lion breath. Tide of spirit, wave of sound. Lift we up and spin we round. Fire blaze in a cool night here. Drum line open up a prayer. Me nah fear, me nah fall. Drum make me rise, make me stand tall. Me lose me name but find me root. Me dance barefoot, me pick wild fruit. The rhythm nah come from speaker box. It rise from stone, from wind, from rocks. Every beat a memory bond. From when me ancestors did one. Stay true to your heart and breath. Drum will guide you upon life and death. Boom, 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 me feel it strong. The drum still beat though the night is long. Circle tight, we nah go stray. We follow the drum till break of day. Yeah, hey. Na na na, Kaya smoke ya man. Na 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 na, Kaya smoke ya man. Shining bright from holy peak, light of Jah to all who seek. Cut through darkness, chase the night, guide the people in truth and light. Every beam a blessing send, every glow a wound to mend. Light of Zion never fade, show the path Jah hand has made. Light of Mount Zion warm and clear, burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade, shine until the peace
touch the king. Same bright love for everything. It shine and path, it light the door. Tell the soul to strive for more. Babylon cloud can't hide its ray. Light of Jah will find the way. It guide the youth to higher ground, where truth and freedom can be found. It warm the hands, it warm the heart. It heal the soul from wicked part. Every glimmer speak Jah name. Every spark a holy flame. No shadow stand, no darkness stay. When Zion light begin to play, me climb the mount and close me eye. Feel the sunlight from the sky. It tell me, child, don't lose your pace. Jah will guide you through his grace. It teach the world to live as one, under the light of rising sun. Every ray a righteous plan, shine for every woman, man. When the nightfall start to creep, light still guard the soul in sleep. From dusk again to breaking day, it keep the shadows far away. It never dim, it never die. Light of Zion reach the sky. From first dawn to final time, it shine in rhythm, pure and prime. Shine high, shine strong, light of Jah forever long. From east to west, from earth to space, Zion light fill every place. No veil, no storm can block the glow. Light of Jah forever show. Light of Mount Zion warm and clear. Burn away the doubt and fear. Lead the way through storm and shade. Shine until the peace is made. From mountain crest to valley deep, light of Jah will ever keep me.
Na na na, Zion Raga, yeah man. Blaze up high from heart so true. Fire of Rastaman break through. Burn away the fear and lies. Light the world with Jah sunrise. Every spark a holy sign. Every flame a truth divine. Fire strong, it never tame. Carry forth the righteous name. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold. Turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify. Lift the soul to Jah most high. It burned the chain of Babylon. Show the people Jah is strong. It got the youth, it won the old. Tell them story prophets told. No water wash, no storm can kill. Rastafari blaze Jah will. Flame of love and flame of peace. Make the war and hatred cease. It glow within the sacred drum. It chant the call of Zion come. It blazing heart, it blazing song. Guide the nation all along. It teach the people stand upright. Burn away the wicked night. No shadow hide, no darkness stay. Fire light the righteous way. We sit beside the holy flame. Hear it whisper Jah true name. It say, my child, keep faith alive. fire still blaze by Jah hand. From sunset glow to morning bright, fire of Rastaman give light. From first breath until the end, sacred fire remain a friend. Carry blessing from above, blazing fire of pure love. Blaze high, blaze clear, Rastafire bring Jah near. No wall, no chain, no iron hold, fire of Rastaman never cold, forever cold. Fire of Rastaman, bright and bold, turn the night from dark to gold. Cleanse the land, purify, lift the soul to Jah. Na 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 na, na 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 na, na 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 na. Zion reggae, yeah man. Flowing pure from Zion hill, river run by Jah will. Cool the land, refresh the heart, wash away the wicked part. Every wave a blessing send, every stream a truth to men. River of Jah never dry, carry peace as it pass by. River of Jah Love, deep and wide, wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and rain. It touched the root, it feed the tree, it set the hungry spirit free. It called the thirsty, come and take, drink the water Jah create. From holy spring to ocean deep, river run while prophets sleep. No stone, no dam can hold the flow, river of Jah forever go. It healed the wounds of war and hate, it opened up the Zion gate. It carries song from shore to shore, sing of love forevermore. It washed the chain from hand and mind, leave the truth and peace behind. Every ripple tell the tale of how Jah love will never fail. Me walk along the riverside, hear the water prophesy. It say hold firm, don't lose the fight, keep the faith in Jah's true light. It teach the youth to share and care, to guard the earth and keep it fair. River run with righteous plan, flow for every woman, man. When the moon reflects so bright, river glow in Jah light. From dawn until evening fade, river sing what Jah has made. It never cease, it never bend. River run from start to end, carry blessing from above. River of eternal love, flow high, flow far, carry Jah truth to who we are. From spring to sea, from rain to tide, river of love will ever guide. No wall, no fear can make it stop. River of Jah over
wash the soul from pain inside. Flow through valley, climb the plain, bring the joy through sun and